现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi there, it is time for another Hakka song on Icrt. My name is Joseph Lin, and we're going to bring you the music of Tang Yuxing, or Tito Tang, once again, onto our airwaves. As you may remember, he lived in Central and South America for 20 years, actually moved to Paraguay with his parents when he was little, so he brings in a lot of Latin flavor into his Hakka music. Now here's a song called Half a Heart, or 班行, which is about two young men who fall in love with the same young woman.Hence the title Have a Heart. And guess what? Tito Tang is actually one of them. And in the lyrics, he expresses his sincerity and his devotion for the girl. Let's take a listen and get into the Latin passion of Tito Tang.
用表达心中对你温柔的情意，自从海渺浪漫真情用法力，在天沙万难沙情，心冠独为的小弟，诉说你的心，迷迷蒙蒙朗朗清清，莫思议，莫分莫样 QQ 万万的爱情。点情水面难游浪，温暖变是嘅法力，但无做黑味多年。共强嘅海子刺痛那个心，爱对你张最用心。连路有团来去去看你，跟山共白呀是色色多么甜。三人给我几分意，糊涂里的心我听，you are mine 伤心。
伤心啊！哎呀，为什么要伤心呢？因为只用半颗心。那为什么要用半心呢？因为这首歌就在描述两个男孩爱上同一个女孩的爱情故事，所以只有半颗心喽。这是汤雨欣的作品哦。他其实从小随父母移民到巴拉圭，在南美洲住了大概20多年吧，所以喜欢呢把一些拉丁风味的元素融入在他的客家歌曲里面，别有一番风味啊！好，希望大家喜欢这首带着拉丁气息的客语歌《班行》。Well, another great Hakka song on ICRT. Hope you like it, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.